In this video, I will show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram profile and then select on the top right hand corner 3-line menu bar. Right now, you just need to select Account Center, and here you just need to select Manage Accounts, and then here there have an option Manage beside your profile. Simply select Manage. Select deactivation or deletion, select delete account, continue, then select continue. Again, you just need to select the reason why you actually want to delete your account, then continue, and then no, continue with deletion, and select continue again. You just need to type your Instagram password on here. After type your password, then select continue and select delete account, and you just need to wait for 30 days. After 30 days, your account completely deleted from Instagram. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.